How to turn off music in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we are in the settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and add different options. Here on the top, there's a section of music and sounds. Now you can simply tap on them in order to disable it. So here I'm tapping on them. So this is the music sound volumes that you can easily turn it off. Now it's all done. You can simply go back and it's enabled. So there won't be any background music and there won't be any disturbance in the gameplay too. So you can enjoy playing the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.